So, wanted to make this video, because I've been watching some videos of, some guys on, YouTube, and a lot of, some really beautiful reverb effects out of, the Big Sky, and I'm blanking out on who makes it. I'll, maybe have a link somewhere or something. Thurman something. It's really cool. And I've never used one. I've just heard some stuff. I don't know. I haven't even watched like a real review of all the parameters that are in it. I'm just kind of guessing from some of the stuff that I've heard of kind of what it's doing. And it's awesome. Sounds really cool. So I figured I would do just a quick... this literally took me 10 minutes to kind of put together what I've got happening here to try to kind of emulate that, or at least what I think it might be. And just wanted to, do a quick video about it because I thought it was kind of something to do while we're stuck at home, So what I've got happening is I recorded a bit of guitar, doing some swells and some just kind of soft chords, and it's kind of lends itself for that kind of big spacious guitar sound. And this is, I'm actually going to separate these a little more. This is it's the same setup as the last video I just did a bit ago about comparing the Fender Pro, the Pro Junior to my 65 Univox. So I've got both of them kind of together here, and the Univox is quite a bit louder. Just it's a little more gain, and although the Junior's loud, it just has more of a tack. It's kind of like a quick tangent kind of thing. Where, anyways, so and then I've got them routed to a few buses here, and everything's kind of getting dumped into this reverb. So, which is the an Verb, and it's just a spring, a really cool sounding spring that I've been using for years now. I've been using this plugin with that particular impulse response that because I just kind of love it. It just sounds kind of good, and there's a few different variations on it. You can see the picture of a dude. Yeah, the BX22E Spring. Anyway, so what happens is, so I'm sending the guitar to that directly, but I'm also sending it to an H delay, and I'm also sending it to a waves pitch shifter, which I'm going to kind of do that secondary for right now. And kind of mute those just so you can hear what it's like through the delay. And the delay is kind of the thing that I'm digging on the most. But let's just hit play. Right, so you can hear those delays. They're just hitting the reverb. They're not actually coming direct. Right? And it gets really fun when you start to play around with some modulation. pretty exaggerated kind of right now, but just to get the idea across. You could totally, kind of dial it back. You can also play around. The modulation section in the H delay is really pretty crazy. It gets a little, and because I'm recording the screen, it gets really fidgety and yeah, so I'm gonna start, maybe start this thing again. I don't know where I'm at in the recording now. I get a little bit more. I'll just start it over. And then I'm gonna turn on this. Not there. Turn them on here. So this is adding. Right now, it's adding a fifth above. And again, it's not coming, you're not hearing the direct signal from the pitch shift up. It's just getting fed to the reverb. And that probably just blew out the whole thing. Not really paying attention, sorry. Let me see if I can, while it's playing, I was thinking about putting it up to an octave. Whoops. Yeah, I just choked. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, so anyways, it's kind of fun to think about, how you could stack together a bunch of plugins, whether you put them all in a row in one channel or kind of bust them together like what I've done here, which I think gives you a little more control, but maybe a little more hassle too. It's a little more complicated, but you could kind of, have a good time and it'd be pretty fun. So, yeah, check it out.